Assalamu alaikum guys, today with you, me, Usraf, and you are on Tech Pro channel. A few days ago was released Honor X9d phone, and I want to show you how it looks like. I will tell you about its performance, camera, and battery. Well guys, take a good seat and don't forget to subscribe and like. Then we will start. Okay guys, be honest with me. How many of you have dropped your phone this week? Or when you needed this phone, or when you needed your phone in important moments, it died. In this situation, the company Honor provided us with the new brand Honor X9d phone. And now I will show you how it looks like. I will show you its battery, performance, and other important highlights. Well guys, now I opened the official Honor website. And here's the first look. It really looks like beautiful. The back is made from leather. I think it's real, fake leather. Here's the two cameras, flashlight, and 108 megapixel OIS camera. Here we can see that it connects with AI from its package, and it's 5G. Extra resistance. Wow, here's the thing, 2.5 meter drop resistant. It means that you can drop it from this height and with your phone nothing will happen. And also it has IP69K water resistant, 8300 mAh battery which can stand up to 3 days, and 108 megapixel with AI camera. Okay, move on. Here's the highlights. I've told you about its resistance, 2.5 meters, IP69K water resistant, 8003 mAh battery. It's really huge for this phone and this price. Later I will tell you its price and you will shock. Here's the camera, 108 megapixel OIS with ultra clear AI camera. Then we have full featured AI editor. It means that you can edit your photos, your videos from your gallery for free. Maybe you wanna remove some backgrounds, you know, yeah. And here is a chipset Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 mobile platform. If I'm not mistaken, it's 4 nanometer chipset. It's really good for this price, and I've seen that it can perform at 1 million score at Antutu. And here's the thing, the AMOLED 6000 nits display, ultra bright display. Guys, it's really so much. Let's talk about its colors. It has 4 colors. First color is named reddish brown, a rich earthy hue with natural depths of polished glaze. Back looks like it's made from leather. The frame is made from plastic, but it looks like as a metallic. And here is the second color, photo screen, a deep tranquil shade inspired by massive woods at dawn. It's really good color. Now here is the thing. The back is not leather, but it's plastic, and the frame is also plastic. The third color is sunrise gold. It's also really good. Here is the logotype Honor, and the last color is black, midnight black, a pure timeless finish that exudes understand elegance. Let's talk about its resistance. It's really good, and it got SGS certificate, the industry's first SGS triple resistant premium performance certification. This durable protection against drops, dust, and water. 2.5 meters drop resistance survives drops from up to 2.5 meters. You can walk without any scaries, you know. And of course, IP69K water resistance. IP69K rated to withstand splashes, rain, and high pressure water exposure. And the third is IP6S dust resistance. I think it's really good phone for builders and who work in like such as walks, you know. Here's some photos as you can see. Built in dirt, a new era of drop defense, ultra tempered glass with an industry first multi-layer cushioning design featuring a ballistic grade damping layer for enhanced shock absorption. Here's the video as you can see. I've talked about it. Maximum grade, minimal risk, the highest level of water and dust resistance in the industry. It means it's the world, guys. Built to withstand. Yes, it's good slogan. 85 temperature, high temperature water. Oh, it's too much. 24 hours of high humidity, salt-rich environment, and it can survive in these situations. It's really amazing, you know. 10,000 water exposure cycles. Oh, It's really good. And here's the thing, the battery. 6000 mAh 3-day battery life. The silicon carbon battery sets a new benchmark for capacity and durability. Engineered for high endurance, it delivers long-lasting, reliable power. Up to 6 years of reliable performance. Up to 6 years, guys. I don't know how to imagine this, but 6 years is too much for this battery. It doesn't mean that you can use it for 6 years, but the battery can help you to stay in the same level for 6 years. And the 66 watt charger. Oh, here's the amazing thing. Reverse charging. It's really good. You can use it for power bank, for other phones. And power up your devices anytime, anywhere. Doubles as a power bank for convenient on-the-go charge. Well, let's talk about the last thing about display. I think it's enough for you today. Remarkably sharp, beautiful, vibrant. The frame looks like it's iPhone models, Here is the camera. 6000 nits peak brightness. 1.5K ultra clear resolution. 6.79 OLED display. 1.3mm slim bezel design. 120 Hz. It's also good for gamers. DCI P3 Cinema Grade Color Gamer. Super dynamic vivid display. Next gen OLED. Engineered for long-lasting brightness and durability. A display gentle on your eyes. Designed for everyday comfort. Honor a comfort, risk-free dimming, dynamic dimming, AI circadian night display, hardware low blue light, AI defocus display. Masterpiece, yeah. And here is the camera. 108 megapixel ultra clear AI camera. Wow, it's really nice and beautiful. 4K HD moving photo collage. One tap creates stunning 4K HD moving photo collages you can edit and share, bringing your moments to life like never before. This function, if you remember, was first on iPhone, but now you can see this function in Honor phones too. You can shot photos or shot a movie on the water. You can edit your photos with Honor AI. It's really good. Eyes open. Oh. It's really good function, AI function. Turn blinks into smiles and keep every group photo picture perfect. Remove reflection, AI cut out, AI upscale, just performance. 4nm Snapdragon 6 series, 29% boost, performance perfectly cooled. Advanced VS cooling combines 5th gen hexagonal graphite with ultralight stainless steel to deliver faster, more efficient heat dissipation. 90% increase in graphite thermal conductivity. 3490mm ultralight stainless steel vapor chamber. Here is a metal and it can cool your phone while you're shooting or while you're playing any games. Well, here is also Google Gemini AI. Here's some photos. It's really good for its price. What do you think, guys? Would you buy it if someone tell about this phone? I think I would buy this phone instead of, for example, iPhone. iPhone is really high price. Oh guys, by the way, I have to tell you about its price. No guys, I see its price and you will be shocked. Can you guess and write in comments what will be its price? I will give you 5 seconds to write it down. Well, it's $350 and I think it's wonderful. The company gives you the phone with full battery, water resistance and good chipset. I think you have to try this phone and check by yourself. Today it was a brief description of Honor X9d phone, and in the future maybe I can buy this phone and show you in real life. As you can see, dear subscribers, we reviewed the new brand Honor X9d, and if you want, we can bring it from China and show you its performance in real life. Don't forget again to subscribe, click on the bell, liking this video, and also don't forget to leave a comment. Bye bye, see you again.